This is my introduction to stem stitch. That is the first of the 3 stitches that's used in the tapestry kits, medieval tapestry kits. You'll receive your design that's penned onto your, or printed onto your linen. To begin with, you come up on the line and pull through. You'll have a knot at the end, and go down on the line again, I like to keep my thumb on it. Now don't pull it the whole way through, but come up halfway between the place where you came up and then the point where you went down. So you'll come up halfway, and you'll notice as I'm drawing it, you can either draw it, see how that's above that loop, or you can actually draw it with it below the loop. The point is it needs to be consistent. Now I don't go more than a quarter of an inch. So no more than a quarter of an inch. If you're going through tight spots, you can make it smaller than that if you want to. Back up halfway between the 2 on the line. And before, oh, I'm caught through this, happens all the time. As before, I came above. That consistency will create neatness. I do, for example, I'll show you, if I'm going around a really tight spot, so I'm just switching, so I'll be coming on the bottom this time, the bottom of the loop, and see how it's not as neat now. But you can switch sides like that. For example, if you're suddenly changing direction and going around a circle, and it can help to place the side you come up on the inner circle, which sort of keeps the line of the stitching neat, and it stops it from collapsing into the circle. I've just made that go to the top again. So a quarter of an inch. You can go through and pull it through, as I have been doing, or as you get more comfortable with it, you can just do it that way. Okay, so I'm coming to a loop now. This always happens. Now, I'm not an expert in embroidery. These are just the stitches that I have learnt to do. That's a replica of the stitching that they did with the original Bayeux tapestry. So you can see I've come up. How that's stopping that from collapsing into the circle. Sometimes this might be a bit unorthodox. If it's still collapsing, I'll just pinch it with a little stitch there. It's probably not very orthodox, I'm not sure, But, as long as you get that nice neat line. One other point I would like to make is when I've been doing this for a long time and I get tired, I find that my tension can get a bit slack. And if you look at it from that angle, sometimes there's gigantic molehills in these stitches. It's no drama. You can just go back along, slip your needle in and just get that tension. Just pull them up a bit and get that tension where you need it to be. So I use stem stitch in these Bayeux Tapestry kits. The stem stitch is used for the lettering, if there's any lettering, and it's used for the outlining, which will include a little bit of, sometimes if you're doing lines over blocks of colour, it'll be used for that. So, yeah, enjoy. I hope that all goes well for you.